Hi guys, welcome to TechTool channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your event or how you can cancel your event in Discord. So in this case, open your Discord and log in first. After creating your event, how you can delete it? Go to put your cursor on that event name. You can see here one event in this particular server. So I'm putting this cursor and click on this event ons. Then you can see all of these events details. So if you want to cancel this, just click on right click on the mouse and you'll find cancel event, red button. Click on cancel event and just cancel it. It will pop a final window. If you cancel it, it will you cannot undo it. Okay, so cancel it, confirm. Your event is cancelled. Here's no event. So guys, this is how you can cancel event in Discord or delete event in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.